Title: 7 Shocking Ways Animals Actually Talk to Each Other. You probably think humans are the only species that can really talk. But what if I told you there's a secret, complex world of communication happening all around you? A hidden language written in poop, broadcast through the ground, and spoken in colors that flash across skin. Today, we're counting down 7 of the most shocking ways animals talk to each other, going way beyond barks and meows. Get ready, because you're about to find out that we are definitely not the only advanced communicators on the planet. Section 1. The unheard spectrum. Infrasound and ultrasound. Kicking off our list is communication that's completely silent to us. Elephants use infrasound, deep rumbles below our hearing range. These vibrations travel for miles through the ground, creating a long-distance network. And here's the amazing part. Elephants hear these messages through the sensitive pads on their feet. On the opposite end, tiny tarsiers use ultrasound, super high-pitched calls that hit 70,000 Hz. This lets them chat in secret in a loud jungle, a perfect way to avoid anything that might want to eat them. Section 2. Speaking in color. Bioluminescence and chromatophores. Next up, we have animals whose skin is the language. Cuttlefish are the masters of this. Their skin is packed with millions of pigment sacs called chromatophores, wired directly to the brain, letting them create insane, rippling displays. A male cuttlefish might show a flirty pattern to a female, while showing an aggressive pattern to a rival male on his other side, flirting and fighting at the same time. What's mind-bending is that cuttlefish are colorblind, yet they can perfectly match the color of their background. It's a trick scientists are still trying to figure out. Section 3. The chemical post office. Pheromones and dung. Coming in at number 5 is the chemical post office. White rhinos use communal poop piles, called middens, as a kind of social media feed. Seriously. The smell of the dung tells other rhinos everything: the animal's sex, age, health, and if it's ready to mate. A dominant male will kick his dung around to spread the scent, basically screaming, "This is my territory." Using a waste product for messaging is incredibly efficient. It costs the animal zero extra energy to send these signals. Section 4. The electric network. Electrocommunication. At number 4, we have a communication style from a sci-fi movie: talking with electricity. Weakly electric fish, like the Peters's elephant nosefish, have an organ in their tail that sends out weak electrical pulses. This creates a field around their body that they monitor with receptors in their skin. By changing the frequency of their electric pulses, they can send specific messages about social status or if they're looking for a partner. They even shift their frequency to avoid jamming other fish's signals, like changing a radio channel in murky water where eyes are useless. Section 5. Good vibration. Seismic signals. At number 3, we have talking through vibrations. And it's not just for giants. Prairie dogs drum their feet on the ground, sending a seismic alarm through their underground burrows to warn the whole colony without making a sound. Even tinier, insects called treehoppers turn the plants they live on into a telephone network. A male will send a specific vibration down a plant stem, and if a female on that same plant is interested, she'll vibrate back, starting a long-distance conversation. Section 6. The syntax. Surprise. Building sentences. For a long time, we thought syntax, arranging sounds to create new meaning, was a humans-only club. Number 2 on our list proves that wrong. Japanese great tits use call combinations like simple sentences. They have an ABC call to scan for danger, and a D call that means come here. When they spot a predator, they combine them into an ABCD sequence to rally the troops. But here's the kicker. If scientists artificially flip the order to DABC, the birds just get confused. The order of the sounds is everything. That is syntax. Section 7. Talking with hands. Complex gestures. And finally, at number 1, a type of communication that seems simple, but its depth is shocking: gestures. Our closest relatives, the great apes, use a huge vocabulary of over 80 distinct gestures to intentionally communicate. An ape will gesture at another, wait for a reaction, and if they don't get the result they want, they'll repeat the gesture or try a different one. But here's what's truly mind-blowing. Around 90% of the gestures used by great apes are the exact same gestures * used by human toddlers before they learn to speak. The roots of human language may not have started with our voices, but with this ancient, shared system of gestures. Conclusion: so, from silent elephant rumbles to the sentence-like calls of birds, the animal kingdom is anything but quiet. It's a world buzzing with complex conversations we are only just beginning to decode. The next time you see an animal, remember you're looking at a master communicator. CTA: which of these communication methods shocked you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you want more secrets from the natural world, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.